Begin by navigating to your test page, and in this case I had to right click and I clicked inspect. And then I'm going to pop over to the bottom. I'm going to make this a little bigger, pop over and change the console so that I can see what's on the console. Then I'm going to type in my name and email address and click submit. You don't see anything on the console because there's no error. Then I'm going to answer the quiz question. And notice as I answer it that I actually get a message, and then I click check. And you can see that the first message that happened was an xAPI statement with the activity, and the verb in here is just that it was displayed. It interacted. Verb is interacted, that I actually interacted with the object. And then the second one is that I actually answered. So it validates that there was an answer, and it tells me that the correct answer was sent. Now I'm going to go navigate over to my LRS. I click xAPI data and then statements, and I can see the interacted and the answered statements. The exact same statements that we saw in the console are also seen over at my LRS. So I've validated that I've successfully sent the message from my website, H5P module, to my Learning Record Store.